Another small common problem we have when the tiller won't start is the filter is clogged up. Usually the filter is made from a sponge-like material, and if it clogs up, air won't pass, and therefore the tiller won't have a problem either keeping going. It will start, but it won't keep going for long because there is a reduced airflow, or it won't start at all. So today we're gonna show you how to disassemble the tiller filter and what to do, how to clean it. Okay. So the tiller, we have this nut on top for the air filter. We take it off. Obviously not all the filters are the same. Some are on the sides, some are without nuts, they just click on, click off. And this is the filter. Here we have the sponge, and usually we put them there. This can be washed with some type of alcohol. I'm gonna show you soon. And here we have an oil cup. This cup is filled with oil till a certain level. Let me straighten up the tiller so you can see it. It has a level here, and we have to fill it up till there. So what happens when we put the sponge on top? The sponge usually fits around this size, so the air has to go around here, and the dust particles will stick in the oil instead of going through the filter. This is the system, how it works. It's very simple. Usually to clean in here you will have to use hot water. We can take off this cap as simple as that and take it home and clean it with hot water, because this slime won't be easy to get off. And also then we will fill it with, usually you can use burnt oil, but I prefer engine oil. Engine oil with I use new engine oil because it's still clear and you can see the dirt accumulating. When it's burnt engine oil, it will be black, and usually you can see nothing through it. So now I'll show you how to clean the filter, and then we'll proceed to attach it. This one is clean. It wasn't clean long ago, so I'm not gonna clean inside of it. It's just a simple wash. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to clean the sponge. So here we have the sponge, and we'll pour on some rubbing alcohol. This one will clean it off immediately. As you can see, there are some stains of oil coming out, but nothing much, as this was cleaned recently. Rubbing alcohol will evaporate, and there isn't any danger from it. So we'll let it out dry before we put it in the filter. Usually this takes a few, maybe 30 seconds, because it is alcohol, it will evaporate, and then we can put it back in the filter. So the filter is dry now. We can just put it back in the housing. Simple as that. And then we do all the steps we did on the contrary. So we put on the lid, we put on the washer, and we put on the fly nut. We don't need to tighten it a lot, just to make it hand tighten. So that's enough, and we are ready to go. This is another problem we usually find when starting the tiller, if it doesn't start. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.